Hi there. I wanted to share with you a way that I have found to use Google Forms to keep track of my accommodations acknowledgments for my special education students. We're required to send out each individual student's accommodations to all of their classroom teachers and make sure that they've read them, acknowledged them, and returned them. So what I do is I create a Google form, and I'll title each one differently so that I can keep track. And this one is A student. It'll be also included in the verbiage in the beginning that tells the classroom teacher what this form is about. It also lists the accommodations, and these are going to change each time because they are unique to the student. I also ask that the teacher type their name in. That helps me keep track of which teachers have responded and which teachers have yet to respond. I've added a question down here that yes, they've received the accommodations for the student, and I've also included an option for that they no longer have the student. This is especially helpful due to all the schedule changes that take place at the beginning of the year and at semester break. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead up here and just send it to each of the classroom teachers, and when they receive it, it looks like this. They click on the fill out the form button. They do have to acknowledge each of the accommodations that are listed. They will have to fill in their name here. And then they acknowledge they still have the student and that they've received. So they'll submit that. And then what it looks like when you get it back on your form, it'll have a response here. So you can click on responses. It shows that they acknowledged each of these accommodations, who sent the form back to you, and that yes, they still have the student in this case. So what I'll do is just keep track of these, and then I will go ahead and make a copy of this up here and change it to my next student's name. That's easily done. And I'll just call this one B student. So I start the whole process over, and I do that for each of my students that I have on my caseload. And anytime you get a new student, it's a great idea to use this form to send those accommodations out to the teachers. And here you can just change the accommodations as they suit each student. Alrighty, I hope that helps, and that's an easy way to keep track of your accommodations for your students. Have a great day. Thanks.